Okay, let's dive into commercial fencing and what it means for your business.
Think about it. Your property line is way more than a map line. It's a first impression. So commercial fencing isn't just one thing. It's doing several critical jobs all at once. We're going to cover your options, cool design ideas, and the whole installation process.
First things first, you've got to pick the right material for what you actually need.
Steel gives you that hardcore durability, while glass has a modern, stylish look. It's all about purpose.
And if you need to level up security, things like barbed wire are a huge deterrent.
All right, let's talk gates and design. This is where you build on your material choice.
And this just nails it, right? You need tough security and super smooth access control.
The goal is to get a system that works seamlessly with your day-to-day operations.
But hey, it's not just about locking things down. Your fence is a part of your brand.
It's this constant balance between function, protecting your stuff, and form, which boosts your brand.
Okay, let's get practical and talk about compliance and the actual installation.
Short answer? Yep, you most likely do, especially if the fence is over 2 meters tall.
Following these steps is how you avoid massive fines and headaches down the road.
So how long does it take? A typical installation should wrap up in about 3 to 7 days.
So after all that, what's the big payoff? Why does this investment really matter?
As you can see, the benefits go way beyond just being a simple physical barrier. It all comes down to this mix: security, compliance, brand image, and pure property value.
And that's the bottom line. It's the one question every business owner needs to ask.